What's up, Miami? It's your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. Currently, we're in Palmetto Bay. Just walk on in. I'm going to be doing an area rug, as well as 2 bathrooms, tile and grout, and 4 bedrooms. The kids are out to school, and this property we've been cleaning for a little over, I want to say 7 years now, if I'm not mistaken. And maintenance, what can I say? Maintenance is key. With kids and pets, keeping your home fresh is a must. Stains and odors happen, but regular TLC keeps your space looking and feeling amazing. Now remember, guys, reviews don't lie. Call Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile, Miami and surrounding areas, #1 choice. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we're going to be bringing you more of these. Again, muchas gracias por ver. Cualquier pregunta o duda que tengan, por favor llámenos. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. Reviews don't lie. Muchas gracias. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile.